I thought I'd hold a little seminar on dressing. You see that? That is celery, green pepper, and onion. You want to just season it a little bit. With a little salt and pepper. My bad, I'm reaching the camera, y'all. Just a little. The night before, you boil your turkey necks to make you some fresh homemade turkey stock. Cornmeal, people. Cornmeal. Cornmeal. Okay, cornmeal. And then you want to do some, breadcrumbs. You can do toast. I do white and wheat breads with herbs and spices. And you want to come back over here. Mix up. I saute mine with about a tablespoon of butter and a half a teaspoon of oil. And then we'll be mixing together some more ingredients in a moment. Okay. Egg, your saute mix, thyme, a little sage, a little poultry seasoning. And I'm doing a small dish, so that's why I'm using one egg, one large egg. Double the ingredients, the larger your dish, of course. And we're going to give all of this a mix up before we put in the turkey stock. Now the turkey stock is in, and we're going to mix it on up. Turkey necks just got, your regular same seasons as a turkey would get, poultry seasoning, rosemary, a little thyme, a little butter, and half an onion, maybe a couple of stalks of celery. So you can see it turning juicy. You want it to be a little juicy. You want to add a little stock at a time because you don't want it to be too soupy. You can always add, but you cannot take away. Okay, now that we all mixed up, see the consistency of it? Now that we're all mixed up, I'm going to add a few shreds of those turkey necks in the mix. And then I'm going to go on and cooking that chicken breast because it's going to be chicken and dressing. And I will come with the pictures soon.